So if your Ninja coffee maker here is not brewing, well, there are a number of things here that you could do to fix this issue. So first thing that you want to do is you want to reset the power. So start simple here, unplug the coffee maker for a few minutes, then plug it back in. A quick reset often clears minor glitches. And also, you may want to look for any error lights here. Now, if your model has an indicator light, check what's wrong on the display. The manual will explain what each code means and how to solve it. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to inspect the drip stop. Now, stuck drip stop can block coffee flow, so move it back and forth gently to be sure it's not stuck closed. Also, you may want to double check the water reservoir. Now, without enough water or if the tank isn't locked in place, the machine won't brew at all. So refill and reset it properly. Also, clean the brew basket. Now remove the basket and rinse away any coffee grounds that could be clogging it. A block filter can completely stop brewing. And also, you may want to run a descaling cycle. Now mineral deposits build up over time, so fill the reservoir with half water, half vinegar solution. Press the clean button, then rinse twice with fresh water. Now, if none of this actually works, contact support if needed. Now, if none of this fixes or the fixes what we discussed before works for you, the issue may be with the heating element or another internal part. Reach out to Ninja's customer service for repair or replacement. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.